In the 80s and early 90s, when development peaked in Ikoyi, Lekki and Victoria Island, some people were asked to key into some of this development, but they swore that nothing good was ever going to come out of these places. They gave excuses like the topography, the bush, the water, and so many others. But today, we can all see what these places look like. Now, with the new Lagos emerging, you again have another opportunity to key into some of the finest investments around town. One of such investments is Arizon Estate, and today I will be showing you around, letting you in on why you should key into Arizon Estate, and of course talk about the future projection with an engineer on site. Come with me. Beyond what you can currently see right now, I am sure Engineer Wale is looking into the future of Arizon. So let's quickly talk to him. Good afternoon, Engineer Wale. How are you today?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Yes, good to be at Arizon. Do you want to tell us a bit about what is going on in Arizon, particularly the development and how it's taking shape?
Okay, Arizon is a very lovely place to key into. Number one, the rapid rate of the development is very fast. Very, very fast. As you can see, we've actually completed the boundary for a particular section, the phase 1 of the estate is almost completed. And as you can see, the ongoing gatehouse too as well, and the entrance. And as you can see, we also keep in mind that our estate is not a place where you come and you don't want to reside in. If you can look at our gatehouse properly, you see the depth of our foundation is very high compared to the road level. So you can be rest assured of the drainage. And also, the development here is very rapid also, in the sense that we are aware that our clients won't like a place where it's not growing rapid. That's why we are very paramount about keeping the infrastructures also in place. We've done all our soil investigation, and our road and drainage will also commence as soon as possible, whereby you can access your own site or access your own plot and start building your own infrastructure too as well.
Amazing. So it means that there is no delay at all. We are putting all the infrastructure in place to ensure that once you buy, you're taking possession almost immediately, and you can start your own development or construction of your own, or whatever it is you want to use your land for here at Arizon Estate.
If you are here 2 years ago, even let's just say 2021, you would know how this place was compared to now. I can tell you the rate at which the prices of sets are increasing here is very high. You have to be very fast about keying into our property here, because in less than a few months now we are going to increase our prices, because the rate at which the development is ongoing here is very rapid.
Like we usually say, development equals what? Appreciation in value of the land. Finally, do you want to share what this environment holds for those who will be residing in here?
This environment holds a lot. It's a one-in-all environment, in the sense that you have your commercial plots. We even have a religious center, your church, your mosque, hospitals. We have plans for all that. So you might be in a place, and it might be your residential area and also your work environment.
So you work, you play, and you live here at Arizon Estate. Thank you so much. Let me allow you get back to work as I continue to encourage you to take advantage of this estate right now, because you know what they say, it will not be here for so long. Yes, people are rushing it fast. So if you missed out on Lekki, Ikoyi and Victoria Island, here is another opportunity for you to key into the development happening in the new Lagos, in the Lekki Ekwe environment. Don't miss this again, so that you will not have stories that touch to tell your children. Key into Arizon Estate right now.